How many times this week have you heard it? I can't motivate these people. Here's what's actually happening. You've got 100 people under your roof, and you're speaking one language to all of them. One tone, one approach for every single person. See, your Gen Z needs to know why before they move. Your millennial wants growth, and if you're not offering it, Indeed surely is. Your Gen X, they just want you to get out of the way. Now layer personality on top of that. Your high I millennial, they want inspiration and growth potential. Your high S Gen Z, they need the why and they need to feel safe asking questions. So imagine a doctor giving every patient the same pill. Eventually somebody's having a bad reaction. So let's bridge the gap between the message sent and the message received. In this highly interactive session, you will take a disc assessment right in the room, analyze your own report, role play real life scenarios, and how to combine what drives them generationally with how they're wired personally. I'll save you a seat because I know you will be in the room or sit through another pie chart session.